So guys, a quick review on this today. This is a Canon SX70 HS, I believe. Yeah, HS. Now, we're not camera people. We wanted not a point and shoot, but something with a bit more, I'm going to say, you know, better than the average, better than your phone, you know, something different. This has got a really powerful zoom. I'm not sure the specs. I think it goes up to about 130. It goes 70 ultimate normal zoom and then up to 130 digital. I think that's what they say. As I said, I'm not a camera person, so you don't jump down my throat if I get it wrong. I'm just doing a review as a person who's not into cameras and bought this. I use it mainly for doing like a lot of family stuff and a lot of stuff for nature. We get a lot of stuff, like recently we've just been up to see the seals at Horsey Gap, so I'll put a link at the end of the video so you can see what it's like. With this camera you can set it up automatically, so you can record while you're not there. It's Bluetooth, so I don't know how far away it goes. If you put it on a tripod, you can set it up, and on your phone you get a camera connect, and you can control your phone, you can control your camera from that app. I have got it on my phone somewhere. Okay, so it's called Camera Connect, and you can do the video and everything from there. I was just trying to find it. I know I've got it on here somewhere. I've probably moved it around and done everything with it, as you do. Right at the bottom there, Camera Connect. If that's going to focus. Well, Camera Connect. It's a great app actually. You can connect it to as a remote controller, or gives you information, camera settings. You can auto transfer it to your computer, to your phone. I find it quicker to my phone, and then from my phone to my computer through the lead. So yeah, you got remote live view shooting. You can look at your images what are on your camera. It's a brilliant app to go with. If you know, it complements the phone really well. So I do advise using that. Especially if you're doing wildlife, then you can connect it up and just, you can leave it set up out in the garden somewhere, and you know, you can leave it up, set up, and away you go. There you go. And like I said, I don't know everything about this camera yet. I've only had it a little while, so I'm just gonna, it's just like a review of someone who's just bought it, used it a few times, and just trying to give you the positives. I think it's a great camera, I've got to admit. You know, my wife had one. My wife's had hers for a few months now. She got it in July, I believe. So, you know, we had a bit of experience with it. So I was really impressed with her. So I want to get one myself. It's got flash on it. You just lift it up. Those professional people, they want a thing called a shoe on the top, so they can add speakers, not speakers, microphones. There is a little slot here somewhere in one of these sides anyway, that's got like you can add bits and pieces to it. I've not gone into all that yet. I'm not sure where all that is and what that does and all that, but it charges up. You've got a battery, you charge out, you buy an extra battery. I think they're about 30 quid. Most of my stuff comes from Amazon, so I'd say 90% of the stuff that I put up here comes from Amazon. They give me a good deal on it, so you know I'm not paid to promote this. I bought this myself. The zoom is brilliant. Actually, I put it is hard to keep the image still, so I do recommend a tripod. When you're at full zoom, it's so powerful, it's really hard. But a brilliant camera, yeah. So as a beginner, I think it's a great camera. Well, like and subscribe, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.